Hi everyone, I hope that everybody is having a great day. I am on my way to Louis Vuitton. I am going to pick up some amazing ready-to-wear pieces that I pre-ordered before the launch, and they just needed to I needed them to be altered, and then I haven't been able to pick them up for the last 2 weeks, so I'm finally on my way over there. I know that there's some new releases, so I'm excited to check them out and show them to you. And today I was supposed to do a makeup day, but I got really excited and ended up doing my eyes, and I hope you guys like them because I am loving them. Anyhow, enough of that. I will go ahead and catch up with you once we get to Louis Vuitton. See you soon. Here is the newly released Pochette Double Zip in the damier ebene. Very, very cute. You can put your cell phone in the middle of the two compartments, and it has two zipper compartments. One of them has a place for your cards. It's $955. This is what it looks on me, and it also has a detachable chain. Okay guys, these are the slacks that I bought. They are gorgeous. I think this is the pre-fall collection. I'll let you know. They've already been altered so that the hem fits me perfectly. They are just stunning. And then I'm also wearing these booties that just came out, and I'm gonna try and give you a better view now when I take the pants off. So that's what they look like. And boy, are they gorgeous. Look at that. It's just a sock booty with a silver point, and then it's got an LV right there, and a beautiful, beautiful heel. And wow, wow, they are gorgeous. I'm in trouble.